In Koolmesh system, a gateway in the network is required for remote control. Ensure the gateway is online with both internet and mesh network connections. Then you can remote control via the IoT platform and Koolmesh app. There are several remote control options on Koolmesh IoT platform. In the floor plan control section, users can control the entire network, manage groups, or recall scenes as needed by clicking the blank area of the floor plan. Click the zone section to control the zone remotely. When clicking on a device, users can view device information, turn the device on or off, check the device's latest status, and dim the device as desired. The same control operations can also be performed in the device's control section. The refresh button refreshes all devices, while the latest status button only refreshes the current device. The similar functions for the other remote control section. On the Koolmesh app, users must first connect their phone to the gateway to access remote control. If the automatic bridge gateway function is enabled, the phone will connect to the gateway automatically. If not, users need to connect manually. Then users can remotely control the entire network, zones, groups, scenes, or individual devices as needed. If each network has a connected gateway, users can control the entire project, or even all projects simultaneously, via the multi-network gateway.